Hello everyone, welcome to Max video class. In the previous video, we completed test for divisibility of some numbers. Now in this video also, test of divisibility remaining numbers. Let us start test of divisibility by 5. By using this divisibility rule, uh, given number, is it divisible by 5 or not? By test of divisibility. By using test of divisibility, given number is divisible by 5 or not, we check with divisibility rule 5. The given number is divisible by 5 or not, we check. The given number has in units place either 0 or 5. The given number is divisible by 5, otherwise not divisible by 5. I explain with one example. Listen to me carefully. Here, first example, 346. The given number has in units place is 6. Here, units place is either 0 or 5. The number is divisible by 5, otherwise not divisible. Okay, now this is not divisible by 5. Why? Because here units place is 6, not 0 and 5. Okay, 346 is not divisible by 5. Why? Because here it is units place is 6. That's why 346 is not divisible by 5. Whether it is in units place is either 0 or 5, the given number is divisible by 5. Here we take another number, 3450. 3450. Here in this number, units place is 0. What is that? Units place is 0. What is the units place in this number? 0. That's why 3450 is divisible by 5. The given number has in units place is 0. That's why 3000 entire number 3450 is divisible by 5. We take another one. Here also 4565. The number in units place is 5. This is also divisible by 5. Why? Because the units place is 5. What is the units place is here? 5. That's why 4565 is divisible by 5. Okay, now children, in these three examples we observe which one is divisible by 5, which one is divisible by 5 or not. Here 346, here units place is 6. That's why 346 is not divisible by 5. Next one, 3450. What is the units place in this number? 0. Here what is the divisibility rule by 5? The given number has in units place either 0 or 5. The given number is divisible by 5. Here 3450 units place is 0. That's why the number is divisible by 5. Here third one is also the number in the units place is 5. The given number is also divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its units digit is either 0 or 5. a number is divisible by 5 if its units digit is either 0 or 5. Here examples are there one by one. Here the given number is 346. What is the units place? 6. That's why 346 is not divisible by 5. Why? Because here in the units place is 6. Here we check in the units place is either 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Here these two examples in the units place is 0. Here in this number units place is 5. So 3450 and 4565 both are divisible by 5. Why? Because these two numbers in the units place either 0 or 5. That's why those two numbers are divisible by 5. That is the divisibility, test of divisibility by 5. Next one, divisibility by 6. Test of divisibility by 6. How can test of divisibility by 6? How can you find this divisibility by 6? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. The given number is divisible by 6 whether it is divisible by 2 and 3. Let us check with one example, that is 3252. We check divisibility by 2 and 3 also. First, what is the divisibility by 2? First we observe the units place either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in the units place, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, now here what is the units place in this number? 2. Units place or last digit in the given number. What is the units place? 2. Here 2 is there in the units place. The given number is divisible by 2. Here units place or last digit. The last digit in the given number, the last digit 2. So it is divisible by 2. 3252 is divisible by 2. Next we check divisibility by 3. We check divisibility by 3. What we check divisibility by 3? First we find the sum of the digits in the given number. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. The given number is divisible by 3. Otherwise not divisible by 3. In this number, we find sum of the digits in the given number. What are the digits? 2, 5, 2 and 3. We add first digits in the given number. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. What are the digits in the given number? 2 and 5 and 2 and 3. 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Here 12 is divisible by 3 or not? We check. 3 4s are 12. Remainder comes 0. It is divisible by 3. So the given number is also divisible by 3. What is the given number? 3252 is divisible by 3. Here 3252 is divisible by 2 and 3 also. The given number is also divisible by 6. Hence 3252 is divisible by 6 also. Why? Because these two 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Here it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. The number also divisible by 6. That's why we check divisibility by 2 and 3. These two divisibility rules are false. The given number is divisible by 6. 3256 is divisible by 3 and 2. Entire the given number is also divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Here consider the one number 3252. It is divisible by 2 and 3. The given number is also divisible by 6. Here we check divisibility test by 2. Here satisfies. Why? Because it is units place is 2. The given number is divisible by 2. 3250 is divisible by 2. Next we check divisibility by 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. The given number is divisible by 3. What is the given number? 3252. We add the digits in the given number. 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2, 12. It is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. 3253 is divisible by 3. Here we check divisibility 2 and 3. Those two divisibility test holds. That's why from 1 and 2. 1 means divisibility rule by 2. Divisibility rule by 3. These two rules are holds. The given number is divisible by 6. Here it is divisibility by 2 and 3. One rule is failed and the given number is also not divisible by 6. Okay, now this is the divisibility by 6. Next one, test of divisibility by 8. If a number is divisible by 8, then that number formed by its digit in hundreds and tens and units places is divisible by 5. Whether one number is not divisible by 8 or not, we check by using test of divisibility by 8. 5 6 9 2 8 8. 5,69,288. The number formed by hundreds and tens and units digits. What is the number formed by hundreds and tens and units digit? 288. It is divisible by 8. The entire number 5,69,288 is also divisible by 8. Whether it is divisible by 8 or not, we check actual division. The large number 5,69,288 is divisible by 8 or not. It is divisible by 8. The given number is 5,69,288 is divisible by 8. Otherwise it is not divisible by 8. 5,69,288 is not divisible by 8. We check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. We take two digits, 28, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. It is more than 8 3s are 24. We subtract 24 from 28. What is the remainder? 4. Down last digit, 8 6 are 48. Here 288 is divisible by 8. The given number 5,69,288 is also divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Our last three digits are zeros, then that number is also divisible by 8. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digits in hundreds and tens units places is divisible by 8. Here already I explained this example. Note this example. 5,69,208. What is the number formed by hundreds, tens and units digit of this number? That is 288. It is divisible by 8 because we here division, remainder is 0, we get 2. That's why 288 is divisible by 8. So the given number 5,69,288 is divisible by 8. Otherwise last the number formed by hundreds and tens and units digit of the given number is not divisible by 8. So given number is not divisible by 8. Here 16,000 in the hundreds and tens and units places are zeros. It is divisible by 8. Here in this number last three digits, that is hundreds and tens and units digit of the places are zeros. That's why 1600, sorry 16, not 1600, 16,000 is divisible by 8. Here in this number, in the given number has in hundreds, units, sorry, hundreds and tens and units places are zeros, then that number is also divisible by 8. Okay na children, this is the test of divisibility by 8. Let's we stop here. We will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.